We're going to look at a really simple design for a stem and some leaves. When you start doing your own patterns, you might want some sort of stock things that you keep going back to, that you know work, that you know what it looks like. And these are really sort of simple, delicate stems with small leaves on for sort of pretty delicate patterns. I'm going to be using 2 different colours of green, 3 strands of each. If you want them even more delicate, you could use 2 strands, but 2, 3 is fine. If you're drawing your pattern onto your fabric, try and sort of get some natural sort of curves going. So a lot of things lined up straight in a row is not going to look very natural. So we're going to start with our stem stitch, going up one of these stems. You could also use back stitch, whipped back stitch, very small chain stitch maybe, just an outline type of stitch. And this one's nice because it gives a slightly raised effect. I like to do it in 2 movements, so you could come up straight away without pulling the needle all the way through, but I prefer to do it, go all the way down, then all the way up. It gives me more precision in sticking to my line that I've drawn. So these ones here are actually attached to this stem here, so I'm going to leave those for the moment. We're going to start here. Now again, with Lazy Daisy, you can do it once you've come up and you go down. You can bring your needle straight out here, but I prefer to go all the way down. I just feel like it gives me more control over where the lazy daisy is going to sit, so I kind of position it and then I come up when I'm ready. But it is slower to work like this. You want to try not to pull it too tight because you want the loop showing. You don't want it sort of a straight line. And you want a really small securing stitch. Come up right next to, or even underneath slightly, your stem. Twist it in slightly. There we go. Keeping with the sort of natural flow of things, there will be different sizes. It shouldn't always have one on one side and one on the other, like a matching pair. So we've got some slightly higher up, we've got some without the mirror image pair, and yeah, there will be overlapping, and the more you sort of put down, the greater the effect is of them all together.